Rocker Pat here. All right, guys, it's another hot rocket day at the jungle. And man, when I say it's hot, it is hot. But we've been rocking it down. Let's see what I got going on here. Man, in the last 30, 90 days or whatever, I have been putting in the time on all my old hot rods. Waiting on a new distributor for the King here, and then we go for a ride again. And with him, took him out last night and drove him around all over the place. Ain't got no issues with this one, I'm happy to say. Well, there's issues, but nothing that's keeping me from driving it around, rocking and rolling. And I've been working on Jackie, because it's time to take Jackie out for a prowl. And yeah, had this car, painted this car in 2014, full frame off. It's got 277 miles on it since I put it back together, and it's never had exhaust till today. I've had this exhaust system. This is a hooker system. And I'm gonna have to say, this is the worst experience I've had with a hooker ever. Just saying, you know, the worst hooker experience ever. Maybe that should be the title of the video. Because man, this exhaust system just did not fit. I don't know what the hooker dude or whatever the hell he was that was working on this when he did, but none of this stuff fit. And if it wasn't for me buying these band clamps, and which I was gonna do anyway, and please don't look at my horrible welds. I'm gonna clean that up. By the time you get my machine welded in, I'm almost done. So, got it all nice and tight. Got hangers everywhere. Put a couple hangers right here. Then back here, I got some mufflers from the eBay. They were cheap, 100 and whatever, knockoff Flowmasters. We haven't heard this yet. These are 2.5-inch Flowmaster or like-ish kind of mufflers. I'm not going to call them Flowmaster, a 3-chamber muffler. I've only got the tips tacked in place just so that I can, in case I need to adjust something. But let's drop this thing down and take a look and take a listen for the first time. But I got it up in there tight and it's solid. It ain't going anywhere. I've got 3 hangers back here hanging everything. Nothing's moving. So let's drop it down and take a listen. First time we listen to Jackie with her exhaust system. Give me a second here. Y'all want me to sing you a song? Sing me a song, you're a singer. All right, I'm not a singer. But I got cool shit on the wall. And cool shit in the stall. Man, it takes 2 hands to do this, so hang on just a second. I'm about past the locks. All right, let's see what Jackie sounds like. Next, we got to get back up under here and clean this up. I mean, you talk about 10 years of sitting here, getting the dust blown up in it. Dog hair. All right, let's see if she'll start. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, let me open the hood here. What the hell, car? Come on with it. Oh yeah! Thumping and a bumping, baby. I got a light fix back there before I take it off the lift. Man, that sounds good. I mean, it don't exactly sound like I'm used to hearing, because I'm used to hearing it with them open pipes. But she don't sound too bad. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get the tail light fixed that I gotta fix, brake light, and maybe this evening we might take her for a ride, go rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Because we've been grinding down. Talk to y'all next time. Okay, I ain't going to leave you without a rev up. Hang on, man. I'm going to get y'all set up. Let's get set up for a rev up. How's that? Talk to y'all next time.